Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first step would be to have some hosting service. In my case, I'm using WordPress. And basically, I'm having WooCommerce that is hosted on WordPress and it is in form of the plugin. And basically now that we have our WooCommerce plugin, we will need to have a store. And basically, when you have WooCommerce with uh, your WordPress, you will have this visit store that will be added. And basically, this is my store that I have here. And normally, if you had it was your first time using WooCommerce, it will be either a blank page or some very basic stuff. And to have a more reliable store, you will need simply go to appearance and themes and go and choose any theme that you find appealing so you can avoid having many headaches on creating your store. So you can go to WooCommerce and from there you can choose any theme that you would like. You will click on install, you activate the theme and that's it. And after that you can start like uh, the process of having your orders. And basically in WooCommerce you will have orders and there is another important part which is the settings. So from her order you will be having your orders that will be received, etc., and you can track them, change their status, etc. And here you will be needing to set up your website, your store first. So basically you will have settings about products, and the important ones are the payments. So you will need to have your payment gateway that you would like to be paid from, and you will need to finish their setup so you can link them with your accounts, your bank accounts, or some PayPal or any gateway that you are using. And basically, you can also set up the email or to send the, for example, verification emails or visiting password, some notification, etc., etc. And basically, that's it. Uh, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.